Can they forge ahead from this corner kick? Let's see. He's given us away. Sucic. Oyarzabal. A glorious chance. Really good challenge. Good piece of defending. Takefusa Kubo. Sucic. Well, sloppy in possession. Luis Figo. Well, using the space really well, you've got to say. Ronaldo. And danger still. Struggling to get it away. Clearance needed to be better. Well, no damage done. Oyarzabal. Takefusa Kubo. Must take the lead here. Perfect example of how to put in a tackle, and a corner will be next. Ten minutes left for play. Well, he's won the ball. Real Sociedad regaining possession. And the search goes on for a winner. Time is tight. And now a corner. Can they take advantage of it? He's in here. The net is staring him in the face. Well, the keeper has pulled out all the stops there.
Well, it's a great chance to win the game, but what a brilliant piece of goalkeeping that was. It's an outstanding save.
A high degree of difficulty with that sort of attempt.
Well, he's just mistimed it, hasn't he? Didn't catch it how he would have wanted, and well, that's the result.
Oyarzabal. They cannot be separated here, and it's on to extra time. Well, back underway here, and it's quite simple. Both teams must steel themselves for 30 extra minutes. Cannavaro. On to Beckham. And a textbook interception. Beckham. And the ball with Figo. Will he finish? A goal here! Giving his team precisely what they were looking for. Now he deserves to celebrate it.
Well, here's the replay. Watch how he goes past his man with such ease, and it's just a change of pace. And then the shot is emphatic. He strikes it with such power, the keeper has no time to react. What a good finish.
Bryce Mendes. Well, doesn't have to do it on his own. It could be. And a goal, the equaliser. Superb entertainment. Not many sides would have the mental strength to bounce back from adversity like this team. This looks more than decent. The importance of that tackle cannot be overstated. Half-time in extra time, and still they are level. Well, the drama continues to unfold. Second period of extra time now. Roberto Carlos. Ronaldo. Roberto Carlos. And here's Raul. Can they forge ahead? Oh, keeper dealt with it. Well, this corner could be pivotal. It might represent the last chance to get in front in the dying moments. Danger averted. And the shot. Well, 5 minutes remaining in this, the second period of extra time. Well, here they are on the attack. Can they go on and win the game? Interception to snuff out the danger. And 1 minute of stoppage time has been added on. It always had the potential to go the distance, and it has, so a penalty shootout is next. And so the penalty shootout about to commence, and as a play, and he finds the net, he could hardly miss. And he steps up to take his penalty. And it wasn't the greatest penalty, and it's been saved by the keeper. Oh, he saved it! And he steps up to take the shot. So lethal in front of goal. Well, the keeper reacted magnificently. Composure is so important under these trying circumstances. Oh, brilliant goalkeeping. It went awry for him from the penalty spot. Can he convert? And confidently converted. You want a pressure cooker? This is it. He must score. And there is the big moment in this penalty shootout. The goalkeeper's contribution means they have won it.
Well, that's a top-class save. No wonder he's celebrating. That's a brilliant moment.
Hello, it's great to be with you. And no problems at all on the weather front as we get ready for this match. I'm Derek Ray, your match commentator, and alongside providing all the tactical analysis is Stuart Robson. And every reason to believe we're in for an entertaining match here. It's Real Madrid up against Ajax.
Well, this should be interesting today. I like the makeup of both teams. They really do have a good balance of attacking and defensive qualities. But the team that has the greater desire will probably come out on top.
The ball hole. And Real with the ball again. George Best. Real chance. Well, he's missed the chance, and the keeper didn't have to do very much. Oh, fine play, and maybe it'll set something up. Can he finish? And a goal from Cristiano Ronaldo. That will be such a boost for them.
Well, I won't get tired of watching this. It's an outstanding bit of play. Just look how far he runs with the ball. That's a great goal.
So back underway, and the pressure has been applied. Ajax know it. Can they find a response here? Good-looking sequence. And it's fallen for Ronaldo. And it's in! Real Madrid firmly in charge here.
Let's see this again, because the delivery into the box couldn't be any better. Played into just the right area, and Ronaldo wasn't going to miss this one. From that range, he was always going to score. What a well-constructed goal.
Cristiano Ronaldo. What can Real do from this position? And he's made headway. Still a chance. Oh, goodness me. He made it far too easy for the keeper, didn't he? Griezmann. George Best. And that's going to roll all the way through. Cristiano Ronaldo. Can he put it in? And he did what he had to do defensively. Best. Best. And there it is! Another goal! And surely there's no way back from this now.
Well, just watch this again. A change of pace, a change of direction, and a decent finish. That's a very good goal.
So on they go again, and every indication that Real are going to stroll to victory here. Gullit. And Son! A goal! An exceptional performance this! Forward to the good now!
Well, here it is again, and what a perfect cross into the box this is. Just inviting someone to attack it, and it's a good header as well. Son gets into a great position, makes exactly the right contact, and gives the goalkeeper no chance at all. That's a top-class goal.
A chance then for the respective So back in business, the second half underway. The difficulties for Ajax were there for all to see in the first half. How do they respond now? Cristiano Ronaldo. Ronaldo. Chance for Son. And the flag has gone up.
Well, he has to work a lot harder to stay onside there. He didn't read the situation at all.
And Real doing well to win it back. Can he finish? Will he? It could be up for grabs. And there it is, a goal. I must say, much to the annoyance of the keeper.
Well, here it is again, and I feel a bit sorry for the goalkeeper. He makes a good save to start with, but where are his defenders following in? Instead, it's the attacker who's alert. He gets to the ball first, and it's a good finish.
And here's Wayne Rooney. And a good challenge to bring that attack to an end. Oh, in with keeper made it look routine. It was anything but. Can they cover up? And he gobbles up the second chance. Disappointment for the keeper. No wonder he's asking questions of his defence.
Well, here we can see it again. Normally I'm the first to point the finger at a goalkeeper, but I think it's a good initial save. I'm not sure he could have done much more. Just a bit unfortunate, really, that it dropped to an opponent.
Possession ceded by Ajax. A real opening now. And it would have been a chance, but the run was mistimed. Offside. Wasted possession again. Heung-min Son. Oh, there it is! It's one goal after another, and it speaks to the quality of that performance.
Well, just look how he holds off the defender. He keeps his balance and he still hits the target. What a good goal that is.
It's a massive lead, and it's very hard to imagine them losing it now. Joan Capdevila. Well, close to the end of this contest, and Real Madrid absolutely cruising. Stuart, your thoughts?
Well, what can you say about this performance? They've been absolutely brilliant.
And it's fallen for Ronaldo. It's still alive. And he's only gone and made it a hat-trick. Absolutely unplayable today. What a performance.
The keeper's a bit